Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a green salad for weight loss. We'll start with the foundation, your greens. Select a generous 2 cups of nutrient-dense leafy greens such as spinach, kale, or romaine lettuce. These provide essential vitamins and fiber with very few calories. Remember to wash and thoroughly dry your greens. This step is crucial for a crisp and enjoyable salad experience. Next, let's boost your salad's satiety with lean protein and healthy fats. Aim for about 4 ounces of grilled chicken breast, baked salmon, or a half cup of chickpeas. For healthy fats, add 1/4 of an avocado or a small handful of nuts like almonds. These components are vital for keeping you full and satisfied, preventing those unwanted cravings throughout your day. Now, let's pack in more nutrients and volume with fiber-rich vegetables. Include at least 1 cup of colorful, non-starchy options like bell peppers, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, or shredded carrots. These vegetables are low in calories, but high in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. They add a delightful crunch and a burst of flavor, making your salad both satisfying and visually appealing. Finally, the dressing and portion control are key. Opt for a light, oil-free dressing, or make a simple vinaigrette with apple cider vinegar and a teaspoon of olive oil. Limit your dressing to 2 tablespoons to keep calorie counts low. This well-balanced, nutrient-dense salad is designed to be a satisfying meal, supporting your weight loss goals effectively and deliciously.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.